Okay, we're getting ready for another funeral. This is our Ie that we're about to take to Auntie Neva's funeral. It's pretty big, so we're trying to hold it. Just hold it up, please. So you want to stretch it out a bit further on the other end? I'm holding up the other end. So this is holding up the full length of our Ie that we're going to present to my mother's sister's funeral tomorrow. So this is part of our culture, Samoan culture. This is my sister's and I's Ie that we're about to take, and on behalf of my mother's family, my mother and my sister and I, and my daughter. And I suppose it's symbolic of the richness of our culture and the richness of our family. So this is my family, this is our Ie.